嚟到第七課啦，今次我哋想講嘅係鬧人同埋講粗俗嘅說話。相信大家喺學習外語嘅時候，都有興趣學翻幾句粗俗嘅說話，同埋鬧人係點樣講嘅，係唔係咧？首先，我哋學下 XXX as hell，佢可以譯做好狠乜乜。之後就係 shit hit the fan，佢本身係個英文嘅俚語，字面嘅意思係屎就打到風扇嘅扇葉上邊，形容事情一旦爆開就好難收拾。之後我哋又去學下，除咗 scold 之外，兩個更加強語氣嘅鬧人英文。Someone a new role 係一個 idiom，佢表鬧得好狠啦。另一個比較中性嘅 phrase 就係叫 curse out，都係差唔多嘅意思。首先睇睇 XXX as hell 嘅例句，Don't trust him, he's cunning as hell。唔好信佢，佢好鬼狡猾。The lobster soup is tasty as hell. I want another bowl。呢個龍蝦湯好鬼好味，我仲想要多碗。He's clever as hell. He always makes the best decision and sticks to them along the way。佢好狠醒，佢成日都做出最好嘅決定，同一直堅持落去。This year is hot as hell. I guess there have been over 100 days with temperatures above 13 degrees Celsius。今年好狠熱。我估計有超過100日有30度嘅溫度以上。嚟到 shit hit the fan 嘅例句，When the shit hit the fan, everyone panics。一出事，全部人都慌晒。The shit hit the fan when the news broke。新聞一爆出嚟，成件事就亂晒啦。Once the secret was revealed, the shit hit the fan。秘密一揭穿，成件事就爆煲。The shit hit the fan when the budget was cut。預算一削減，成件事就大鑊啦。各位嚟到 rip someone a new one 嘅例句，The boss rip him a new one in the meeting。老闆喺會議度鬧爆佢。The manager ripped the staff in a new one for being careless。經理鬧到員工狗血淋頭，話佢哋太唔小心。The coach ripped the team a new one after the loss。教練喺輸咗場波之後，就鬧爆佢個隊員啦。The father ripped his son a new one for failing the exam。阿爸鏟到個仔飛起，因為佢考試唔合格。嚟到 curse out 嘅例句，The boss cursed out the staff for being late。老闆鬧爆員工，話佢哋成日遲到。He cursed out his friend for betraying him。朋友出賣佢，佢鬧到佢朋友狗血淋頭。She cursed me out after I broke her phone。我打爛咗佢部電話，佢鬧爆我。He cursed out the driver for cutting him off。司機 cut 線，佢鬧到司機 PK。今次我哋學咗鬧人嘅相關表達，請記住 as hell。唔知大家知唔知咩叫 funny as hell、tired as hell、busy as hell？如果大家知道呢啲係乜嘢點解，咁就非常之好啦。 多謝收看。